Flight 1421 with service to San Juan, Puerto Rico, out of gate E4.
Thank you.
movernos a partir lo antes posible en cuanto. Securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables need to be in their upright and locked positions, and all carry-on items put away. Your smaller electronics you may hold on to, placing your pocket in that seat back in front of you, but still the service does need to be turned off prior to pushback. We appreciate your cooperation once again. Welcome aboard JetBlue Flight 421 with service to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Aviation regulations require the compliance with all crew member instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the loose end to tighten. To release, just lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelts fastened low and tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, secure the black buckle, and then pull on the loose end to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, you can inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. Please never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the aircraft and used as a rack. An additional rack is located in the forward storage unit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead. If necessary, floor-level lighting will illuminate the aisle to help you find the exits. In the event of emergency, leave all personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember, it might be behind you. If there's a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove your face covering. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not fully inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. We'll be passing through the cabin to make sure we're ready for departure. You can help us by making sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all carry-on items are put away. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes or vaporizers, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and could result in a fine. This aircraft has 3 restrooms, 1 in the front of the cabin and 2 in the back, and infant changing tables can be found in the forward restroom and in one of the restrooms in the back. To avoid crowding in the aisles, please wait at your seat until a restroom is available. All of our planes are equipped with free high-speed Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi enabled device, just connect to the Flyfi network. Then be sure to type www.flyfi.com into your browser window and follow the prompts to log in. Please note the Flyfi signal will not be available outside our coverage area. However, entertainment content will be available on the Flyfi hub at www.flyfi.com. We'll be adjusting the main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there is a reading light above your seat. We're here to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight. fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Items do tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. And if you need any assistance getting off of the plane, please remain seated until after we've arrived at the gate so we may better assist you. To help maintain physical distancing during deplaning, it is very important to remain seated until the travelers in the row in front of you have gathered their belongings and made their way up the aisle before you do the same. Thank you for your cooperation, and we hope that you and your loved ones remain healthy and safe. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn more about our True Blue loyalty program, working on points on all your flights, starting with today's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Fort Lauderdale and Boston-based crew, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Hope to see you all on a future JetBlue flight. And if Puerto Rico is home for you, we'd like to be the first to say, bienvenido a casa.
JetBlue les da la bienvenida a San Juan, Puerto Rico. La hora local son las 9:35 de la noche. Por su seguridad, por favor mantenga su cinturón abrochado y su maleta de mano guardada hasta que el capitán apague la señal del cinturón. Tengan cuidado al abrir los compartimientos superiores, ya que los objetos suelen moverse durante el vuelo. Su equipaje facturado estará disponible en la correa. Le daremos el número de la correa cuando estén desembarcando. Si tiene un recibo que dice Claim at Gate, puede recoger su equipaje al salir del avión. Los clientes que necesitan ayuda para desembarcar, como sillas de rueda, por favor manténganse sentados después que lleguemos a la puerta y así podremos atenderlos mejor. Cuando estemos desembarcando, es muy importante que se mantenga sentado hasta que los viajeros de la fila enfrente de usted hayan recogido sus pertenencias y se estén dirigiendo a la salida antes de que usted haga lo mismo. Esperamos que usted y sus seres queridos permanezcan sanos y sanos. En nombre de todos nosotros aquí en JetBlue, especialmente esta tripulación con base en Fort Lauderdale, les damos la bienvenida a San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Bye, good night, thank you.
Thank you, good. Have a good night.
You too.
Bye.
Sí, porque